Marrakech whispers to you, a siren song carried on the desert wind. It speaks of vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and a history etched into every stone. Before you ever arrive, its reputation precedes it, a tantalizing glimpse of the sensory feast that awaits. You've heard the tales, seen the pictures, but nothing can truly prepare you for the reality. It's a city of ancient chaos, a beautiful, bewildering maze of sights, sounds, and smells that assaults your senses from every direction. Alive with color, sound, a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of countless lives and experiences. The energy is palpable, a constant hum of activity that vibrates through the very ground beneath your feet. And above all, flavor. A symphony of spices hangs heavy in the air, a promise of culinary adventures to come. The real magic? It's not in the grand palaces or the manicured gardens. The sizzle and steam from 1,000 street kitchens, a fragrant cloud that envelops the city and draws you in. Here, food isn't about stars or status. It's not about fancy restaurants or Michelin guides. It's about feeding the people who keep the city moving, the artisans, the merchants, the everyday heroes who bring Marrakech to life. Street food is Marrakech's heartbeat, the pulse that keeps the city alive and vibrant. Its most honest expression, a true reflection of the city's soul, unfiltered and unpretentious. This journey isn't for the timid. It requires an open mind, a sense of adventure, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. You'll get lost, wandering through the labyrinthine alleyways of the Medina, a delightful disorientation that is part of the experience. Point at the unknown, at dishes you've never seen or heard of before, trusting your instincts and your appetite. And trust the man behind the grill, the culinary maestro who holds the secrets to Marrakech's most delicious treasures. The reward, a culinary revelation. Food perfected over generations, served on the street, smoky and alive with the flavors of tradition and innovation. Forget what you think you know about Moroccan food from restaurants back home. This is the source, the wellspring of culinary inspiration that has shaped Moroccan cuisine for centuries. Here, every bite is a story told with cumin, a warm, earthy note that anchors the flavors of Marrakech. Saffron, the golden spice that adds a touch of luxury and mystique, and preserved lemon, a tangy, bright counterpoint to the richness of the other ingredients. To skip the street food is to miss the soul of the city, to experience only a superficial glimpse of what Marrakech truly has to offer. So we dive in, head first, with open hearts and empty stomachs. Through crowds, a sea of faces and voices following our noses, guided by the intoxicating aromas that waft through the air. Chasing authentic flavor, the elusive taste of real Marrakech, untainted by tourism or compromise. The goal, a simple yet profound mission. Eat well, eat honestly, savor every bite and appreciate the stories behind the food. And understand Marrakech one bite at a time, peeling back the layers of its history and culture through its vibrant street food scene. El-fnaa awaits, the grand finale of our culinary adventure. A chaotic open-air dining room under the stars. A nightly spectacle of food, music, and storytelling. No menus, no reservations, just pure, unadulterated culinary chaos. Just fire, food, the primal elements that have drawn people together for centuries. And the present moment, the shared experience of enjoying delicious food in the heart of Marrakech. And that's more than enough. It's everything. As the sun sets over the Atlas Mountains, el-fnaa transforms. The square becomes a living stage. Carts roll in, grills ignite, and the air thickens with the scent of spices and smoke. Aromas of lamb, cinnamon, ginger, olives, and mint swirl together, overwhelming your senses. The sounds, hissing oil, clanging tongs, vendors shouting, create a symphony of chaos. You push through crowds, locals, tourists, families, all hungry for something real. Vendors beckon, promising the best meal of your life. The stalls form a map of Moroccan cuisine, kebabs, tagines, adventurous eats like snail soup. The only mistake is standing still. Pick a stall, grab a seat, and let the show begin. This is Marrakech's nightly feast, messy, loud, unforgettable. The tagine here is rustic, unpretentious, and deeply comforting. Tough cuts of meat melt into fragrant stews, spiced and slow-cooked to perfection. Cobb's bread soaks up every drop, simple, profound. Tangia, Marrakech's bachelor dish, is meat, garlic, cumin, saffron, and smen, slow-cooked in the ashes of a hammam. The result, meat so tender it falls apart at a glance. But nothing beats the kebab stalls. Skewers of marinated meat sizzling over open flames. The vendor is a showman, the smoke a siren song. Kebabs are served simply, eaten standing up, surrounded by the city's energy. Here, food is about context, shared, immediate, and alive. Every bite connects you to Marrakech's living tradition. You're not just eating, you're part of the ritual. Morning in Marrakech means mezmen. Down quiet alleys, women fold and fry dough into golden, flaky flatbreads. Mezmen isn't just a pancake. It's chewy, crispy, and layered, a marvel of skill. Watch the dough stretched, folded, and griddled to perfection. Eat it plain or with honey and butter for a sweet start, always with mint tea. For something heartier, try rigif. Mizamens stuffed with spiced meat and onions. The best stalls have long lines of locals and bakers with hands that move like poetry. Order with a nod, eat on the street, honey dripping down your fingers. It's not just breakfast, it's a piece of Marrakech's daily rhythm. The city wakes up with every bite. Find your spot, join the ritual. This is how Marrakech greets the day. Ready to separate tourists from travelers? To truly immerse yourself in a culture, you have to be willing to step outside your comfort zone. Are you prepared to embrace the unconventional? Enter the world of babouche, Moroccan snail soup. A culinary adventure awaits those bold enough to try it. In a bustling corner of the Jamaa, amidst the vibrant chaos of Marrakech, steaming cauldrons draw locals seeking a comforting remedy and the brave tourists eager for an authentic experience. The snail soup vendor stands ready, a guardian of this ancient tradition. The broth is a secret blend of spices and herbs, a carefully guarded recipe passed down through generations. Licorice root, anise, lending a subtle sweetness and aromatic depth, thyme, chili, adding warmth and a gentle kick to awaken the senses. Said to heal and warm, a remedy for whatever ails you body and soul. Snails are fished out with a toothpick, a delicate operation requiring skill and precision. But the real prize is the broth, sipped straight from the bowl, a concentrated burst of flavor that lingers long after the last drop. My first time, I hesitated, the unfamiliar sight and aroma creating a moment of doubt, but the vendor's warm nod and encouraging smile pushed me forward, urging me to embrace the unknown. The flavor? Deep, savory, and unexpectedly delicious. A symphony of tastes that danced on my tongue. The snails are surprisingly tender, the broth utterly unforgettable. A culinary memory etched in my mind forever. Eating babouche is about trust, a leap of faith into the heart of Moroccan culture, trusting the vendor's expertise, the culture's wisdom, and the generations of tradition behind the time-honored recipe. It's a small act of bravery, a willingness to try something new and different, rewarded with a taste you'll never forget, a story you'll be eager to share. This is what authentic travel is all about, venturing beyond the familiar and embracing the unknown, pushing your boundaries, finding unexpected joy in the most surprising corners of the world. True deliciousness often hides in the most surprising and unassuming places. Sometimes, you just have to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and take that first slurp. You might just discover your new favorite dish. In Marrakech's heat, thirst is quenched with style. Orange juice carts line Jamaa el-fnaa, pyramids of fruit promising instant refreshment. For a few dirhams, you get pure, vibrant juice. No sugar, no ice, just sunshine in a glass. Pomegranate juice and avocado smoothies tempt with color and richness. But nothing is more iconic than Moroccan mint tea. Green tea, fresh mint and sugar, poured high for froth and ceremony. Tea is hospitality, a ritual of welcome and peace. To refuse is unthinkable. To accept is to join the city's rhythm. Whether in the chaos of the square or a quiet shop, every sip connects you to Marrakech. Hydration here is a celebration. Drink up and taste the city's sweetness. The real story isn't just the food, it's the people behind it. Marrakech's street vendors are artists, guardians of tradition, and storytellers. A simple transaction can open a world if you're curious and willing to listen. Hassan, the kebab master, credits his kefta's magic to fresh lamb and a secret spice, baraka, a blessing. Fatima, stirring harira, serves her grandmother's recipe, ladled with history and love. Eating their food is like being invited into their lives. These conversations are the secret ingredient, turning a meal into a memory. Vendors pass down recipes, pride, and stories through generations. They're not just cooks, they're the soul of Marrakech's street food. To eat here is to taste their passion. Every bite is a story. That's a flavor you'll never forget. Moroccan food is a symphony of spices, bold, complex, and harmonious. The spice souk dazzles with cones of turmeric, paprika, cumin, and saffron. Ras el-hanout, the signature blend, is a secret recipe unique to each merchant. Moroccan cuisine balances sweet, savory, sour, and spicy lamb with prunes, tagine with preserved lemon, harissa soothed by yogurt. Each bite is a discovery: cumin, ginger, cinnamon, chili, fresh herbs. It's a cuisine shaped by centuries of trade and cultural exchange. The result? Something unmistakably Moroccan, ancient, layered, and captivating. Every meal is a journey through flavor. Why travel so far, venture into the unknown, just to eat on a crowded street? Is it the allure of the exotic, the promise of flavors unseen? Because this is where life truly happens. It's in the vibrant chaos, the shared meals, the spontaneous connections forged over steaming plates. It's where the pulse of the city beats strongest. You can't truly know Marrakech until you taste it, until you savor its essence, its soul, until you let its symphony of flavors and captivating chaos wash completely over you, enveloping your senses and leaving you breathless. It's an immersion, not just a visit. This isn't just about the food, it's about embracing the spirit of a traveler, shedding the skin of a tourist. It's about connecting with the culture on a deeper level. Be curious, insatiably so. Be brave. Step outside your comfort zone. Point at the unknown, the mysterious dish you can't pronounce, and confidently say, "I'll have one." Trust your instincts, embrace the culinary adventure. The worst that can happen is you don't particularly like it. But the best? The best is a memory etched in your mind forever, a story you'll recount for years to come. Marrakech's story is a never-ending tapestry, constantly being woven. My journey through its streets was uniquely mine, and yours undoubtedly will be wonderfully different. You'll discover your own favorite hidden stall, the one that calls to you with its aromas and the warmth of its vendor. You'll stumble upon your own unforgettable conversation, a chance encounter that sparks a connection. You'll unearth your own hidden gem, a secret treasure tucked away in the labyrinthine Medina. The city itself is a living, breathing cookbook, passed down through generations. It holds thousands upon thousands of recipes, each one waiting to be discovered within its enchanting, winding streets. The next chapter, the next delicious page, is entirely yours to write. So go, book that ticket, pack light and leave room for souvenirs, and leave all your preconceptions and expectations carefully packed away at home. Let your nose be your compass, guiding you through the maze. Get wonderfully, hopelessly lost in the sensory overload. Drink the freshly squeezed juice, dare to try the snails, and don't be afraid to eat with your hands, as the locals do. Talk to strangers, share a laugh, and let the magic of Marrakech seep under your skin, transforming you from the inside out. The greatest, most unforgettable meal of your life might just be waiting for you around the next corner, sizzling tantalizingly under the vast expanse of the Moroccan stars. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.